Hi, it's Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. Welcome to all my new subscribers and to those who've been with me for a while. Today I have a new journal to share with you that I'm really excited about. I was just looking at different digital kits and I was struck with Marlene at Uniquely Ella's Designs. Her autumn kits were absolutely gorgeous. There's an autumn floral, autumn ladies, shabby autumn, just some gorgeous, gorgeous kits. And so I decided I wanted to make and they're all document style. So I wanted to make the tall, skinny journal. And I apologize because I know that it's really hard to video these. So bear with me if I'm not showing the complete journal. I started out with using a vintage file folder, one of those old green folders. The cover measures 11.5 by 4.5. It has a 1-inch spine. The papers are 11 by 4. There are 2 signatures with a total of 36 times 4, which is, oh my gosh, I can't do math. 120, 150, over 150 pages. It ties shut with a sari silk ribbon, and she's very chunky. I didn't intend for this to happen, but it did. So there are things in here that journaling cards and tags that you could take out of the journal that would make it a little slimmer and it would fold a little bit better. I've added some vintage lace to the spine, crocheted lace. I've added a couple of velvet leaves. There's one down here, and some of the ephemera from the kit, one of the kits. And let me go ahead and get started. I have used a couple of other people's kits also. I've used some papers from Heather at Ruby and Pearl XO, and from Ida Jane, and a lot of things from the Graphics Fairy also. So when you open it up, I have some vintage, I've forgotten what this is called, the marbled paper, and there is a tuck spot in the front and the back. This is from Ruby and Pearl, and I just made this large journaling card thinking it would fit into the journal, and it doesn't, so it's found its home right here. I've used lots of sari silk ruffles. I've used some vintage lace and some current lace, but the pages are just gorgeous. There's lots of journaling space in here. I've tried to maintain areas where you could journal. This is from the Graphics Fairy, and I just loved her. I thought she looked very, very Irish and very much fall with that red hair. And then I made the pocket here with an envelope so you can see her. And some images from the kit, some lace. I've used some coffee dyed papers. I've made a lot of the tags. This one is from one of the backing pages. This is from the Graphics Fairy. This is from the kit. And there's always journaling space on everything that I do. I print on the backs of my pages so that there is room. There's some little lace here, another ruffle, excuse me, another tag that came from the kit. I've made a lot of the pockets and tuck spots and pulled from different, there's a couple of sheets of vintage music paper that I have coffee dyed. Here's another journaling card and a little tuck spot. Another one of the pages. It's another couple of items here. This is a journaling card that came with the kit, and then this is a little file folder that you could journal on or add to. She did do some washi tape also with her ephemera with one of the kits, and I've used that throughout too. This is an idea I got from Carol Laws, and it's a tag in here that you can journal on, and it's backed on both sides, so you could use it as a tuck spot if you wanted to, but I like looking at both sides of the paper, so I just clipped it in there. Some more of the journaling paper. Just such pretty autumn colors. I love this, and I've used my autumn sari silk ruffles. I just love the ruffles, and I have so much sari silk. I've used some excuse me, parchment paper also that I've printed on. This is one of the pages from the kit. There's a little card here. Here's some of the washi. Use the washi down here. This is from the Graphics Fairy, but the image just went with it so well. And then I created this tag, and there's some washi tape, one of the washi's that she included. I love the oranges and the greens, and then this is a piece of ephemera from Tim Holtz, but it just seemed to work in here really well. Gorgeous images. There's another tag with journaling space on the back, and then this folds out again. This is from Carol Laws, and there's a journaling card here, and then there's a large tag here. Pull that out and show you, and there's journaling space on the back of that. Some different pages, and love the sari. And there's another pocket here, another journaling card that I've made and backed with coffee dyed fabric paper. And then this is from the Graphics Fairy, and this little image of the back of a photograph company photographer is from the kit. Again, journaling space. And some more journaling cards, a tag. This one came with the kit. Just such pretty images. These are also from Uniquely Ella, and they're, I think the floral, I can't think of it now. I apologize. Love this. Such gorgeous colors. And these papers just played so well with each other. Another ruffle here. Whoops, missed a page. This is from Heather at Ruby and Pearl XO, and this is from her golden dress. And another tag that I made. And then these two images are from the Graphics Fairy. And they just played so well in here. I love the butterfly with all his orange glory. Whoops. Pages. And then I've added a little, the ruffle and the little sari bow up there. She's so pretty. Like I said, the pages go so well together. And then there's another page, and I've used the little bluebirds and made a tag out of that. And then this is another, this is from the Graphics Fairy. Another ruffle. Another page from the kit. This is from the Graphics Fairy, and some vintage lace. Then there's three large journaling card here. This is the backing paper from the ephemera kit. And then this is from the Graphics Fairy. And I think this is either Ida Jane or it's from Heather at Ruby and Pearl. But the little birds were so cute, little robins, and I just thought it added, had to have a place. Another couple of tags, again from the Graphics Fairy. This came with the kit. Some more lace. And then this is from her golden dress, and I made a card out of that. And this is from the Graphics Fairy, and it's just a sheet of paper that's folded over, and you can write on the back. Lots of journaling space. Here's another flip from Carol. And then from the Graphics Fairy. And then there's a large tag in here. Again, the ruffles. I love this page. And this is from Collier's Magazine. It's Autumn Leaves from 1913. The August, I think it was the August issue. Just so pretty. Bright fall colors. Then this was from, I think from Ruby and Pearl, and it's just so pretty that I had to include it. Went so well with that. And then there's a little envelope that came with the kit. Another vintage music page. And here's another one of those tuck spots with the journaling card in it. And this one has the birds and journaling space on the back. So as I said, lots of opportunities to journal. It's another card that I made. Just tucks in there. And then this is one of the tags from the kit, and this is one of the journaling cards from the kit. Some more sorry. Another tuck spot with some more cards. Large journaling tag. And then this is from the Graphics Fairy, one of the bookmarks. And then this is also from the Graphics Fairy. I think this was in the pumpkin spice. There's another page. So pretty. Pretty, pretty. And then here's a piece of vintage lace. Another one of the beautiful illustrations from Graphics Fairy. And the ladies in their gowns. Pretty page. And another journaling card that I've made using the papers. Again, I can't think of it. It's the invoices with the florals on them. And another little journaling card here. And there's the last page with a ruffle. And here's another one of the illustrations from Heather at Ruby and Pearl from her golden dress. And journaling space on the back. So that's the journal, and she comes with a couple of little items that I did not use in the journal and some washi tapes. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone's well and doing well, and I hope you're enjoying fall. Halloween's coming, which is my favorite holiday, so I'm looking forward to that. And you all have a good day, and this journal will be available in my shop when the video goes live. Thank you so much.